I have a spreadsheet here with formula. So these cells are calculated and this cell is calculated. And as I enter data over here, these cells will update. For instance, let's say that pink here is 30 instead of 10. And notice how the information changes. And it works the same if I add any information on the end of the sheet that's not already in there as well. So let's take a look at what the calculations are. We can see the formula. Average if is the name of the formula. A through B, that's the range that we're going to be calculating, all of A and all of B. D2 is the criteria, and all of B is the field that's going to be calculated. So you could type this in as is, or you can use the formula helper. So let's delete what's in here for now. And let's click on the FX up here for the formula helper. And we see average if because I recently used it, but if you need to look for it, just type average if, go, and you can double tap to select average if. So it's asking for the range, and that's going to be your entire sheet, or not your entire sheet, but all of the information that you want included. So our range is all of A and all of B. So I'm going to select A and select B. I'm just clicking and dragging over. So A through B. The criteria is the category here. And the average range, that's the numbers that are going to be calculated. That's all of B. And then we click OK. So for pink, we want all of A through B, and then just D2, which is pink, and then B through B for the average. Let's see if we can copy this relative all the way down. I'm going to grab the field handle on the bottom right, left click and drag. And let's take a look at the formula. The next one is still A through B, but this time it's looking at D3, which is green, and B through B, that's correct. The next one is just looking at D4. And the next one is just looking at D5, which is purple.